Hi guys, this is Gentle Shadow channel by Gentle Shadow Video Tech. In this video, I like to thank my fans, thank my viewers, thank my subscribers. Thank you for subscribing, thank you for viewing, thank you for your comments. That means a lot, and also by clicking on the bell icon. The topic on this video is ways to avoid unauthorized access on your device. Ways to avoid unauthorized access on your device, or avoid unauthorized personnel on your device, and also steps to do that. That's sub step and how to do that. Watch this video to the end. Click on subscription and click the bell icon to receive notification of my latest sweet videos that can help guide and protect you. Click on the bell icon. What are these ways to avoid to avoid unauthorized personnel into your device, or digital scammers into your device, or theft into your device? What are these ways that I can use to avoid these guys? This will be shown with these videos coming up. Listen very well. Steps begin. Listen and watch and understand.
In this video, the topic of this video, as I have seen, is ways to avoid unauthorized person on your device, or in your device, or the ways to avoid unauthorized personnel in your device. There are ways to avoid this unauthorized personnel on your device. One is by knowing what you click. Knowing the link you click on. But in this video, I will show you how to avoid them. Even as you click on the link, on their links, I will show you how to avoid them and how to know that this is a fraud link. This is a fraudster link. This is a link that is not, this is a hacking link. I will show you how to avoid these unauthorized personnel, scammers, hackers on your device. They may call you a message, send you a link, or ask for your password. Try to motivate you into paying money to get the higher price. They may try to use that to antagonize you, to hack you. In this video, I will show you how to avoid them even as you click on their link, because I like to help humanity, to guide people, to help people know that there is people who have acquired knowledge to protect them. So let's move on. Let's start. One, there is this application called Trace. I'll only show you the glance. Watch my videos, my other videos, which are there and which I will put at the end of this video. watch them and know how to use this application called Trace. There is video that I have made and I talk about this application. I will show you the glance of this application. This application is called Traced. Let me show you this application, Traced. See this application here, Trace. This application that helps you, that protects you and keep you. Programmers have come together with their knowledge and program this application and create this application to give you a confidence, to keep you, to help you, to protect you. And that's when I come in to guide you with my videos. So what here does is just a glance, but there's nothing to hide for you guys, because you guys, I love to help, and I love to help humanity in any form I get, to create confidence, to create trust between me and my viewers, to show them all may be wrong, but one may be right. Showing there is trust in internet. So if they send you a link here, like if they send you a link, like this link that I'm going to show you guys, if they send you this link, like this link here, this link, if I copy this link now, like if a hacker send me this link now, and I copy this link now, listen attentively, and I go to this application called Traced, and paste this link now, and paste this link, and paste it, and click here good. If you click good on your keypad, it will scan the link and show you the effect or the effecting part of the link that you pasted there. As you can see what you have put there here. So if I want to enter this place and I want to change the browser, I want to change the browser, and I want to secure myself. The second one is one is Trace using this application. The second one is search engine software you use in entering your account. You use in entering each link they send you, and each link they send you. Like, to secure myself from these people, I will use Trace or Chrome. But in using Chrome, you have to secure it. So watch my other videos. Like there is video that I have uploaded, and I have published. It's called latest way latest way to set up your Chrome. You will see how to secure your Chrome before entering in before using it on this application. So in order to enter here, in order to enter without these people hacking my device or hacking my SIM card, in order to tag me, to listen to my conversation, to monitor me in and out, I use DuckDuckGo. When I click DuckDuckGo, I'll click on continue. When you click here, click on back. Sorry guys. As I paste it, press it, click on good on my keypad, it will scan. As you can see, it's scan. As I click here, click here. Where is that place that I used to click? Is this here? No, not here. No, not there. Let me show you guys. Continue. Okay, click on continue. Continue. Look at it. Click on continue. That site you set it up to use. That's the site it will show you. It will link you. It will put you into. It will put you into that site you set up that you use to check the link. I feel I click on watch my this particular video. Let us go to the and know how to use this application. You know how to use this application. The other one, if you don't want to use this application, there is this way you can use to check if this link is wrong or right. Is wrong or right, and to avoid hacking. To avoid them if they send you a link. Most of all know the link you click because mainly a link. Do not be greedy. Each and every information they send to you. Each and every information they send it to you to use. Each and every information they put, like saying that you will get huge amount of money if you click this link. Avoid that kind of stuff. Know the people, know the link you click, know the link. Study about any link they put, any site, any name, any website, any name as in any name. Not all links are bad, but mainly bad links are fraudsters are developing each and every time in order to make system inhospitable for people, making computer untrustable for people. So know the link you click. This way, the second way is how to, if you don't want to use this application, there is a way, but mainly use this application. This application have many features. Not only that thing, or not trace have many features. So this application is here. Is here. Shit. Okay, let me on data because I want to show you guys this stuff. Okay. Let me show you guys. Now if you don't want to, if you now to avoid them, copy the link as they have sent you to. Go to the browser, secure the browser, or put it in a dark mode. Then, like this browser is secure. DuckDuckGo. Copy the link, go into DuckDuckGo, paste it, or use Tor browser. Tor browser is also good. Use Tor browser, paste it there. If the Tor browser dictates any JavaScript, hacking JavaScript, you disable it, destroy it, and give you access, or warn you if it's too much. Guys, be wise digitally. Not everything is bad, but bad people are many. There are many. Know the link, know the source of the things, information, know the places you click on the internet. That's it. This is way to avoid these people, unauthorized personnel into your device. This is way to avoid these guys into your device. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you feel this video helpful for you. Subscribe and click on the bell icon to receive notification of my new update videos, of my new latest videos, because I release video 2 times a week or 1 time a week. I study to give you a better secured form information, tutorials. or tutorials. Thanks guys for watching. Love you. Channel Gentle Shadow Video Tech. You can also visit my new extension.blogspot.com. That's where some things I write it down in words. But watch my videos, subscribe, it will help you. I'm here for you guys. I'm here to help. I'm here to show way where there is no way.